To create an automatic and dynamic table of content in Microsoft Word, first you need to select or highlight the text that you want to appear as the table of content list. To do this, you need to change the normal formatted style into the heading formatted style. I'll show you how. First, let's select like this or put the cursor at the line that you want to show as the table of content list, and then go to the heading style here like this, and then select the heading number that you want. I recommend you to use the chapter 1 like this into the heading 3 section, because I think there is only one heading 1 and it is for the big title of your article. So let's format it into the heading 2. And for the subsection here, let's make it the heading 3. So the heading 3 will appear below the heading 2. I will show you in detail when this process finish. Okay, let's check another subsection like this. Let's make it heading 3 and then heading 3 again. This is also the heading 3. After that, for the chapter 2, let's make it heading 2. Library study for the heading 3 because it's the part of the chapter 2. Then for the hypothesis is heading 3. And then for the chapter 3, let's make it the heading 2. The scope of research heading 3. And data collection methods heading 3. And then, okay, we have the bibliography as the new heading 2. So let's make this line into the heading 2 formatted. Okay, now it's complete. Then let's show the table of content list. Let's make a new page appear just like this. Then you go to the references menu at the top here, click it, and then at the left side here you have table of contents menu, click it, and then you have several options that will make your table of content appear. Then I recommend you to use the automatic table 2. You can also use the automatic table 1, it's up to you. And in this case, I'll use this automatic table 2. Click it, and you'll see that you have the table of contents appear on your page, and it's based on your list that you create by the heading formatted style. Okay, you see that for the chapter 1 introduction, we have background, research objection, research objective, and so on. For chapter 2 also, we have this list and so on. Great, now you have this table of contents, and you can also modify the title, table of contents of the article, just like this, and this table of content is ready to use. The next question is, how is something changed in your article and how to make it automatically change also in your table of contents page? Okay, I'll show you how. Let's say you want to change the title of this background into background of the article. You don't need to update it in this section. So you just go to the section here, let's say background of the article, and in case you have a new page number here, let me make it to add another new page. So you have this new page for the whole article, and you don't need to make it manual. You can just update it by go to the table of content page here, and then at the section update table here, you can click it. You can have two options here, update page numbers only and also update entire table. If you click the update page numbers only, it will only update the page number, or if you have the update entire table to make it happen, it will update the whole page number and also the list of the heading. So let's use the update entire table. So you see that the background of the article is changed from background to background of the article, and also the whole page number also updated automatically. You see that the bibliography in the previous table of content is in the page 12. Now the new page of bibliography is 13, okay? And the whole page number in the table of content is dynamically updated by using the update table feature. The last thing I want to show you is how to customize this raw table of contents format into another format that you need or that you want. So to do this, go to the references tab again at the top, at the table of contents here at the left side, search to the bottom, and then click custom table of contents. Great, now you have table of contents pop-up appear on your screen, and you can select or unselect the menu that you want. So let's say you don't want to show the page number, just uncheck it, or you don't want to right align the page numbers, you can also uncheck it. I'll just make it like this, and then I prefer to change the tab leader from dot into underscore. like this. Okay, so the dot will change into underscore, and also I want to change the raw template from template here into the classic template. And you can also add another level of your heading. Let's say you have 5 heading, from heading 1 to 5. Let's make it show levels to 5, and then you can also add another customization in the table of content options, just like this. You can also make it uncheck the styles, or you can add the table entry field, and so on. I'll just leave it this section by default. After that, let's just click OK. And then let's click yes for replace this table of contents, and you have a new formatted table of contents, and this is customizable, and you can also modify it according to your needs. Okay, that's all. See you in the next video.